How to download pictures from TikTok without watermark. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download pictures from TikTok without watermark. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So let's jump right into the video. First thing first, open up your TikTok app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And from here, you just want to find the screenshot or the photos that you want to download. So I have some saved on my profile, so I'm just going to head over to my profile and then tap on the saved icon. So here are some of the pictures that I have. What you're going to do now is tap on the share button, and if it shows you here the download button, then it won't be available here. But if you have the download button available and you save the photo to your gallery, then that means it will create a watermark. So let me just show you guys. So I have these pictures right here saved on my phone, so let me just show you. So here are the pictures that I saved from TikTok, and as you can see, it has the watermark and the TikTok logo on the right side of the picture. So if you want to do this without the watermark, then what you're going to have to do is tap on the photo and then long press on your screen and click on clear mode. Now you are just going to have to take a screenshot of the picture. So just click on the volume down and then power button to take your screenshot. And once you've taken your screenshot, you could just go ahead and open up your gallery. And as you can see here, you will be able to see the screenshot without actually having to worry about the watermark. This thing right here, it's my recording. So if you don't have the screen recording on, you will be able to get a clear picture. So that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.